right there. Look at this. Video accessories from Ulanzi. Colors 3.7 volt. HSI control, whatever that means. VL49PRO RGB video light. I'm gonna unbox this today. I lost my knife. You know, I had a good knife, but I don't know where it is. So I have to live with this. Let's unwrap it. Goes straight in the garbage. And now we have this. I wonder if I'm focused on this. Am I? I think I am. This is a good on focus, huh? Let's see what happens when I do this. Man, did you hear that? Oh, there's messages coming. Let's hear this again. I'm getting closer with my microphone. Ah, look at this beauty. Okay. So there is no tape on front of it. It's just in there like it is. Oh, look at that. It comes out with this. Oh, look at this. There's tape on here. What is this on the sides? Oh, gold. USB-C. Here. I should zoom in closer. Oh, can I? What is the closest I can go? Here. Okay, I can get that close. It's almost macro. That's what a real unboxing is about, right? Oh, beautiful. Okay. I'm gonna zoom. Not zoom. We are going to focus. Okay. So I don't know. There is a slider here. This is on and off. Doesn't do anything. Those are not buttons. I bet those are magnets. Oh, look at that. Magnets. 1, 2, 3. So probably you can magnet together a bunch of them. Okay. Right, okay. In here. It says lift up. Oh, do they mean this? Oh, look at that. Oh, look at this. Don't know what this means. Quality certificate. Ulanzi. Okay. User menu. Oh. Look at this. This is in German. Kleine Lichter. You know what that means? It means little lights. So like what you would say, the translation. Oh man. The translation is great. But let me check the instructions. So instructions will go from here all the way across to here. This is one set of instructions in one language, right? So here, this is one English. Up there is most likely Chinese. Is this Chinese? Could be Japanese. Chinese, Korean, who knows, and German. Oh, this is what it is. The button here on the side, this here is the power button. If you turn this on, it should shine, but in this case, it does not work at all. Nothing. So with devices like this nowadays, the most modern devices, it is possible that you have to connect the charger first. They may be in kind of a park position. Oh, sorry about all this. It's a little far away here, but I'm going to plug this in into a USB-C charger, and we don't see anything happening here. Nothing. Does not work whatsoever. Zero work. I don't know what on is and what off is. So the slider, I don't know what is on and what is off. And I don't know if this is charging or not. Let me keep this on there for a minute and see if this does anything. And then we continue our adventure here. This is a foot for foot that doesn't open. In the bag that does not open. Yeah. Well, it feels like plastic. It doesn't only feel like plastic. I think this is a plastic piece. You know, when you have a camera, okay, and you have this shoe, now this goes on here like this, you know, and then you can mount the light on top here. That's how that goes. You know, you screw it on here for the hot shoe. Okay, that's what that is, a hot shoe thing. Hot shoe mount. Very nice. We have more in here. Oh, this is rubber. This is made out of rubber. See, it's super flexible. Okay. Here's another rubber thing, rubber diffuser. Rubber diffuser. Very good. And then two metal pieces. Sticker. Hangwong 300s. So I do believe that this is most likely magnetic material, like iron. And then when you glue this to something, you can magnetically add this to it. The only sad part is that this thing does not work whatsoever. 0. Even a little bit charging didn't do any good. Okay, so that's the end of the box. The device doesn't work. It's sad. Okay, is this true? Yeah, see? So this would be a stick mounting tape thing. All right, and that's gonna end my unboxing video. Maybe we check out a review video later. Maybe that's possible, a review once this was replaced, or, you know, we want to return it. This does not look like it has any opening here, so you probably destroy it when you open it. It's all glued in here. That's how that is. Not something you want to have happen to you when you have this Thanksgiving gift surprise for you, a non-working device. I think I see you on the next video.